So in today's video, I'll be taking you all to my kitchen, my own kitchen. In case if you are new, welcome to Ujuling Space. My name is Uju and you are highly welcome. Please consider subscribing to my channel. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for your love and support. I appreciate you guys a lot, okay? This recipe tasted so good. It was so delicious, super flavorful, very colorful. Like guys, it was so yummy. Like if you want to see how I made this recipe, please keep watching. Do not forget to subscribe if you've not. Turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I drop a video. Like, share. Let's just get started. So in a clean pot, transfer your washed beans, okay? Yes, we want to parboil the beans at this point. Stir properly, cover to cook for 10 minutes, okay? Then in another pot, add the washed goat meat, season with some salt, some seasoning cubes, a teaspoon of ginger, add a teaspoon of garlic, some chopped onions, stir properly to combine. Like you don't need to add any water at this point, okay? Allow the goat meat to release its juice before you add any water or any liquid, okay? So stir very well to combine and then cover to cook. So the beans has been cooking for 10 minutes now, okay? It's time to wash the beans. Yeah, so it's always good for you to parboil your beans in case if there are preservatives, okay? Yeah, so wash the beans thoroughly and then transfer back to the pot, okay? Add some water and then cook for like 10 more minutes. So the beans has been cooking for 10 minutes now, so we'll set it aside. Back to our pot. The goat meat has also been cooking for 10 minutes. Yeah, look at all that juice, guys. I didn't add water initially, so I'm going to go ahead and add some water now so that the goat meat can be cooked perfectly, okay? I'll stir and cover to cook. So in a pot, I added some oil. In a frying pan, I added some oil and some onion, and I'm going to add in the goat meat now, okay? Yes, I want to fry it to golden brown. So flip it over to the other side and repeat the same process. At this point, the goat meat is ready, so I'll gently take it off from the oil and set it aside. So in a big enough pot, I transferred the fried oil, okay? Added more oil because it was not going to be enough, and then added chopped onions, okay? Stirred to combine. I'm going to season with some thyme, some curry powder. I added some bay leaves, okay? And then I went ahead and added my tomato paste, okay? After which the onion has sauteed for 2 minutes. Yes, I went ahead and added my tomato paste. I'm going to fry this tomato paste for like 10 to 12 minutes. So this is after 12 minutes. I added my blended peppers. These are fresh tomatoes, bell peppers and habanero pepper, okay? Yes, I allowed it to boil for some time. So I'm going to season with some nutmeg, some garlic, some ginger, okay? I added some salt, some seasoning cubes, and I'm going to stir it properly to combine and allow this to cook for 5 minutes. It shouldn't be more than 5 minutes, okay? So after 5 minutes, I went ahead and took out some sauce, some fried sauce for later use. Yes, I'll be using it later, okay? And then I added some meat stock. This is my goat meat stock, okay? I also added my habanero pepper, some crayfish, grounded crayfish, stirred to combine and covered to boil. So it's time to add the rice. I added my parboiled rice, stirred properly to combine, and allowed to cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I stirred again. Okay, you don't need to stir much, just a little more. Okay, yes, I stirred it a little and then added my cooked beans. These beans is not properly cooked. It should be 70% cooked at this point. Okay, yeah. So I stirred it gently. Guys, you have to make sure that you don't stir much so that your rice and beans won't burn. You know, rice and beans burns easily if you are not careful. Okay, so I seasoned more with salt because it needed some salt and some seasoning cubes, and of course I added some onions. Guys, if you know me, I love onions. Like, you can never go wrong with onions. Okay, I'm going to cover with foil paper to retain its steam and cook for 15 minutes. 15 minutes later, the rice is not dried. Okay, there are still liquid left, so I'm going to stir it properly. Like, at this point, I want the rice to marry the beans and the beans to marry the rice. Okay, so please, if you've not subscribed to my channel at this point, what are you still doing? Please click on that subscribe button. It is totally free to join this amazing family. Share my video, give me thumbs up, drop those nice comments for me. I love to read your comments. So yeah, this is me stirring the rice and beans. Okay, so I went ahead and added my fried tomato paste. It's not tomato paste, this is the fried sauce I took out earlier. Okay, so I added it and stirred properly. Yes, we need the rice and beans to be properly combined. Okay, and cover to cook for more 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I went ahead and added some chopped tomatoes. These are fresh tomatoes, okay, for freshness and distinct flavor. Like and then I added more onions. Like, give me some more onions. So I'm going to cover and allow to cook for 5 to 10 minutes. So this is after 7 minutes. I noticed that the rice has dried completely, so I stirred very well. So the rice is perfectly cooked at this point. The beans is perfectly cooked. The rice is not overcooked, neither is the beans overcooked. Like, they are cooked to perfection. Like, guys, look at this color. It is so colorful and it tasted so good. Okay, so tell me in the comment section, have you tasted rice and beans combo before? How do you enjoy your rice and beans? Do you enjoy it jollof or with stew? Tell me in the comment section, have you tried this recipe before? If you've not, please give it a try, and I promise you, you will never regret. Like, you can never go wrong with rice and beans combo, because for myself and my family, we enjoyed this delicious goodness. Okay, so our rice is ready. Voila! Take a look at this yummy goodness. Is it calling your name? This rice was so delicious. The goat meat jollof rice and beans combo can never be better. It can never be any better. If you like this video, give me thumbs up, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.